guys, I'm Ariane. I'm going to talk to you today about our new DMC shades and our brand new style thread holders for our brand new stitch along, Lucky Nutcracker. There are 14 DMC shades that are really Christmassy, really traditional, and they fit in really well with the new Nutcracker design. They're super festive, so I hope they cheer you up on the countdown to Christmas. These are our brand new style thread holders, which are really neat and you can cut whatever length suits you. These are really generous amounts. We calculate exactly how much you'll need and we add extra on top. While stitching, any threads you're not using you can store on the holes along the side. Here's some sneak peeks of our Nutcracker design. You can see the thread colours match the needle minder perfectly. Our brand new style thread holders are really great quality. They're thick and sturdy so you can use them again. Our brand new Lucky Nutcracker stitch along opens for pre-order on the 11th of August. I'm so excited for you guys to get in there and I can't wait to see your progress once we get started.
So let's get ready for the festive season with our Lucky Nutcracker. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!
Yay!